strangers at my feet. Too close to disappear, too polite to scream. Perfume fear, yesterday's caffeine. A tickle in my throat like a loaded gun. 8 floors up, nowhere to run. I swallow panic, I count the lights. This box knows all my private fights. Someone calls, someone sighs. We exchange our alibis. Sneezing in the elevator, social suicide. A biological error with nowhere to hide. I freeze in place, I close my eyes, waiting for the world to decide. Yeah, sneezing in the elevator, crime without a plea. I didn't mean to threaten your security. Bless you, turn to judgment fast in this vertical underclass. Emergency stop in my nervous system. Everybody suddenly a witness. They look at me like I pulled a knife, like I gambled with communal life. I mumble sorry to the steel floor. My reflection won't forgive me anymore. Tissues rustle like contraband. I hold my breath, my hands in command. I say plague, I'll say fine. We're all pretending at the same time. Sneezing in the elevator, pressurized shame. One small sound, everybody changed. I shrink into my winter coat. Try to rewind my traitor throats. Yeah, sneezing in the elevator, unclean, exposed. A wet reminder we're all just close to breaking rules we didn't write. In a box that climbs the night. I swear I'm healthy, I swear I'm safe. I swear this body is not a threat. Upward motion, downward eyes, human cargo, sanitized. Sneezing in the elevator, doors